Alright, Sid's getting the shit beat out of him. Tanner's beating him with a bottle. Owen, what are you gonna do?
Run. This is going to the funniest home video. It's gonna be swearing.
Oh shit.
Yeah, or YouTube, actually.
YouTube, there's a lot of swearing on YouTube, so I don't think it'll matter.
I'm so shaky because I'm cold. It looks all shaky. Hey! Get him, Owen! Get him! Oh,
I can jump on you, Owen.
jump on him. That's it.
Too far. Oh shit.
And he's getting up, Sid's getting up.
Alright.
Owen, let him get up!
Oh, you just got him in the face, dude.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Come here, Owen.
Punch him in the face. Punch him in the face.
Owen, come here.
Come here, buddy.
There's your mom. Watch out, don't come this way.
Yeah,
Come here, Owen.
Come here, buddy.
I'm sorry, Owen.
Go away.
Face. Beat him up.
Watch CJ beat him up, Owen.
Try to.
Oh my god.
Just keep your eyes closed.
Here. Hold on, buddy.
Nobody's trying to beat up CJ.
Oh god. Like the nutsack. Whoa.
Come here. Oh, you got it all over.
Don't kick and sing
You know
in my
what?
face,
Once
dude.
when Kylie was in kindergarten,
Contact him.
she was swinging on her tummy, and she ended up getting a bunch of sand in her mouth. Like I
I
scooped
got
it up
candy between my tongue.
with like a bulldozer, man. It went all over my mouth. It
Hold
was
this.
bad.
Well, record it for me. It's not on record.
Is
Hold on,
it?
wait. Sid, get up.
My mom used to eat sandwiches.
I my nutsack again.
He's like, I ripped my nutsack again.
Ow!
I can
really hard
feel
in
it
this
crunching in my teeth.
I just felt a rib crack.
Here, you want to hold this one?
Yeah.
Cold, you fat.
I gotta help him get the sand out of his eyes.
Oh, my, I feel
Here,
my
buddy,
ribs.
don't use your shirt. Sand all over it, buddy. Here, hold on. Open your eyes.
Ready, Sid? Ready?
Alright. No. Ah. I'm such a pussy.
You better go beat up Sid for doing that to you.
Go away!
Here. Did you get it out?
Let me see your eyes.
Come here, buddy. Aww.
Oh god, oh god.
Go get him. Go get him, Owen. Go beat him up. He's like, no.